Let's study in English, quarto ano, our lesson 10. It's me, Teacher Val. O nosso conteúdo da aula de hoje é Jobs, Professions. Quais são os nossos objetivos? Perguntar e falar sobre as profissões e desenvolver a linguagem e compreensão oral. On the last class, students, we start the Unit 2. Nós começamos a estudar na última aula a Unit 2. English Book, page 50 and 51. We study about the places and the jobs. Lugares que as pessoas exercem suas profissões. And on the page, English book, pages 54 and 55, we study some jobs and places. Now, let's review. Vamos revisar essas professions e esses lugares. Let's listen.
Faixa 12, pages 54 and 55. He is a doctor. He is at the hospital. She is a chef. She is at the restaurant. He is a student. He is at school. He is an engineer. He is at the office. She is a singer. She is on stage. She is a teacher. She is at school. He is a pilot. He is at the airport. She is a nurse. She is at the hospital. He is an actor. He is on stage. He is a football player. He is at the stadium. He is a lawyer. He is in the office. She is an actress. She is on stage. She is a vet. She is at the vet's office. He is a mechanic. He is at the garage.
Now, students, let's correct. English book, page 58. English book, page 58. Exercise number 2. Read and write true or false. Letter A. This is Marina. She is a chef. Letter B. This is Joanna. She is a teacher. This is Pedro. He is a nurse. This is Lucas. He is a pilot. This is Jonathan. He is a lawyer. Now, students, let's correct. Letter A. Pedro is an engineer. No, it's false. Marina is a chef. Yes, it's true. Luca is a teacher. True or false? False. Joanna is a student. True or false? False, students. Jonathan is a lawyer. True. Excellent. Now, students, check your answers. Great. Now, students, we are going to study more about professions and occupations. Vocês vão estudar mais um pouquinho sobre profissões e ocupações. Vocês vão lá na página 87, na página 87, e vão encontrar 12 professions e occupations que a gente acabou de estudar. A hora que você encontrar, você vai escrever here. A hora que você encontrar, você vai escrever nessas linhas embaixo aqui, ó. Todas as occupations que vocês estudaram. Ok, students? Now we are going to watch a video about jobs and occupations. Let's watch the video and repeat the words. Vai assistir o vídeo e repetir as palavras sobre as profissões.
English Sing Sing. tools are these? Artist, artist. Where do you work in? I work in a studio. Studio. Whose tools are these? Carpenter, carpenter. Where do you work in?
I work in a carpenter's shop.
Carpenter shop. Whose tools are these? Cook, cook. Where do you work in?
I work in a restaurant.
Restaurant. Whose tools are these? Doctor, doctor. Where do you work in? I work in a hospital. Hospital. Whose tools are these? Engineer, engineer. Where do you work in? I work in a factory. Factory. Whose tools are these? Farmer, farmer. Where do you work in?
I work in a farm.
Farm. Whose tools are these? Firefighter, firefighter. Where do you work in? I work in a fire station. Fire station. Whose tools are these? Hairdresser, hairdresser. Where do you work in?
I work in a salon.
Salon. Whose tools are these? Pilot, pilot. Where do you work in?
I work in an airplane.
Airplane. Whose tools are these? Police officer, police officer. Where do you work in? I work in a police station. Police station. Whose tools are these? Scientist, scientist. Where do you work in? I work in a science lab. Science lab. Whose tools are these? Singer, singer. Where do you work in?
I work in a broadcasting station.
Broadcasting station. Whose tools are these? Teacher, teacher. Where do you work in?
I work in a school.
School. Whose tools are these? Vet. Vet. Where do you work in? I work in an animal hospital. Animal hospital.
Review.
Artist. Carpenter. Cook. Doctor. Engineer. Farmer. Firefighter. Hairdresser. Pilot. Police officer. Scientist. Singer. Teacher. Vet.
It's the end of our class, students. Today we review about jobs. Importante ressaltar que é proibida a divulgação do vídeo para outras pessoas devido à proibição da reprodução parcial ou total das imagens do livro. Thank you, students. Bye bye. See you next class.